Welcome to today's IP Insights. Today, we would like to take a closer look at the starting phase of the Unitary Patent.
At the time we're having this conversation, October 2022, the most likely starting time of the new system is 1st of March 2023. Any European patent granted on or after that date may become eligible for a unitary patent, having unitary effect in all participating member states if the applicant requests so. Currently, it is expected that we will have 17 participating member states right at the outset of the system, and this number may increase later on as further EU member states may join. But Tobias, what happens if we have an application that is already close to grant now, but the applicant would like to have a unitary patent for that application? Is the applicant then out of luck?
Thanks to the EPO, Georg, this will not be the case. The EPO has implemented 2 transitional measures that will be available as of the start of the sunrise period, and the sunrise period starts with Germany depositing its instrument of ratification of the UPC agreement. The first measure is a request for a delay in issuing the grant. For all applications for which the EPO has communicated the text intended to grant, an applicant may file such a request before approving the text communicated with the intention to grant. If this is done, the EPO will delay the process, and the mention of grant will only be published on or after the start of the unitary patent system. Then the patent may be eligible for unitary effect.
Let me do the math. So the documents intended for grant need to be approved within 4 months. So for all applications for which the intention to grant has been issued in September 2022 or later, this period will only expire next year in 2023. That means if we assume, as currently expected, the sunrise period will still start this year, all these applications will be eligible for unitary patents already by requesting a delay in issuing the grant.
Even more, also applicants that received their intention to grant already earlier may still benefit from the new system. The applicant has options to bridge the gap towards the start of the new system. For example, instead of approving the communicated text, the applicant may request reasoned amendments, for example, minor changes to the description. The EPO will then have to issue a new intention to grant. In addition to the first measure, there is a second measure. The applicant can also request unitary effect already during the sunrise period for all applications for which an intention to grant will have been issued.
Oh, that's great. That means requesting the unitary effect already during the sunrise period will ensure that unitary patent can be issued quickly after the start of the new system. So this may ensure that a lot of unitary patents may be granted right away. But let us summarize. The first measure we discussed, requesting a delay in issuing the grant, is certainly the option for applicants who are sure they want to have a unitary patent. But it may also be recommended to applicants who are not so sure about it yet, because it will just keep all options open. For those applicants who are certain about the unitary patent, the second measure is beneficial as well. It will ensure that their unitary patent can be granted quickly after the start of the new system.
And it will be very interesting to see how many unitary patents will issue in the first weeks after the new system has started. If you would like to receive more information on the unitary patent, its costs, the pros and cons, please have a look at our website, watch our related videos, or follow our social media channels. Thank you very much for watching.